I'm building my first ever gaming PC with little to zero knowledge. I have no idea what's going on. I might have to watch some YouTube videos. Yeah, that's this. Oh, look at that. I need that. I don't know what this is. In every single YouTube video that I've seen, everyone puts the CPU first. That's like, you do the scariest part first, and then you're like good to go. I know what to do. What if I'm gonna drop this? See how I'm shaking? I had no idea CPUs are this heavy. No, I cannot do this. I'm not breathing.
Is it in?
Yes. No, I wanna cry. Can I watch a YouTube video?
Yeah, sure.
Put down your cover.
Yeah. Are you kidding me? That wasn't that bad. Follow for part 2.